Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry, and Irene is over there. We're in the process of trying to repair some damage to the hydroponic system. Irene came out this morning and checked the greenhouse as usual, and one of the buckets split the bottom, so it leaks water. I have to replace that. So that's what we're in the process of doing. It already had a hole started in the side, which will be just fine. Maybe a little high for the system that I've designed here, but it'll work. I'm using a step bit. I need to trim some of this swarf out of the bucket. That's just the stuff that's left behind by the drill. I want to get all the pieces out of the bucket if I can, so that they won't clog up the system. It's looking pretty good. Got a little more to get out. I'm going to use some food safe white grease to help slide this gasket in. Let's see if I can get this to go in. That went in. Now I need to grease the inside of that gasket and put a pipe in. The way this system works, the pipe goes through the wall of the bucket, comes inside, there's an elbow that comes down. The water fills up and drains out. Put a little grease on the inside. I'm going to go look for a piece of PVC pipe to go through. I have a piece of 1/2-inch PVC pipe that should go in through that gasket. And that's going through. I'm twisting it so that it doesn't try to move this gasket out of the way. Now put the elbow on the inside. So far, so good. I have to guesstimate how close this pipe needs to go so that it doesn't come out too far, because it needs to line up with this outflow. That's the return pipe for the system. By eye, I think that's about right. I need to turn that elbow back down, so that's down. Now the tricky part's going to be getting this tomato plant out of the bucket. Let me see if I can pull this clamp off the tomato plant. I have one more clip to pull off of this tomato plant, and I'm ready to try moving the tomato plant out of the bucket. This should be interesting. Well, I don't know if it's going to be interesting, but it'll be a bit of a challenge. I'm just going to check to make sure that there's no other clips. Because once I start moving this, I don't want to be stopped. There's one more clip down at the bottom, so I'll have to take that off too. The problem is you can't really see because the latch is obscured by the tomato plant. Well, I do have one solution. I'm going to just cut that string, move the plant out, and I'll reattach things. And that branch may break. Irene had it held up with a special accessory. Oops, it started rolling over. I just pulled the water tube out of the bucket. Now, I'm not sure that this net is going to be strong enough to pick up this whole thing, but we'll give it a shot. Sure is hot in here though. Oh. Oops. By oops, I mean the plant just started giving up the ghost. I'm going to string it back up. Hopefully I didn't break too many branches. And these clips go on by pinching the string. So you can do a couple things at one time. Have to get that string in the seat where it goes, and then get the clamp made. I'll go ahead and tie this on. I think I'm going to change it anyway. I have the tomato plant put in the new bucket. I need to adjust the perlite down in the bottom of the bucket because it's pushing the return from the reservoir too high. Actually too low in the bucket and too high outside. So I'll get that done. I'll go ahead and finish getting this strung up and we should be good to go. Meantime, it's hot and the camera's shutting off. Now I have the tomato plant staked up reasonably well. I'll have to get Irene to help me stake it up more. I did break one branch. I hope it doesn't damage the production of that particular branch. Well, that job is done. I'm running the hydroponic pump right now and there's no leaks, so I think we have it. Tonight I'll be changing the nutrients in the tank. I'll be taking out all that water and putting new water in. So things are coming along. Greenhouse is looking great. Irene was out here this morning early. Now it's 104 degrees outside and it's hotter in the greenhouse. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications because we had a lot of stuff going on. And right now I'm going to go get a cold drink of water. We'll talk with you later. Bye. Hey, don't forget to brainstorm. We are